do you review your lessons? Do you even review what you've taught? Let's see how to create a low prep warm-up with puzzles. Hey guys, I'm Mansoura and welcome to my channel. By tapping this right here, you could watch my methodology series, and this one, my websites for teachers. And by tapping the subscribe button, you won't miss my upcoming videos. So, let's get started. Everyone likes doing board games. They are perfect for reviewing new vocabularies and grammar, individually or in groups, or even as a test. And my puzzle maker website suggestion for you guys is puzzlemaker.discoveryeducation.com. I like this one better, but if you know any better, please share it below. This is the outlook of Puzzle Maker Discovery Education, and I like this better because it has so many options for you guys. It has word search, crossword puzzles, cryptograms, and stuff like that. Okay, what did I? The first thing you need to know about creating crossword puzzles, or here crisscross puzzles, you need to use understandable clues. About the word search puzzles, I thought about maybe you could create a puzzle which contains the synonyms of the new words in the reading or listening activity. Or one more, you could ask the students to first find the words and fill the blanks of a text or some sentences with those words. And about cryptograms, there are kinds of puzzles that some letters are replaced with numbers or vice versa, and the students should decode it. And let's now make and about the double puzzle. See, here you could first ask the students to unscramble the clue and then find the words. Let's make a crisscross puzzle and see how this works. The first thing you need to enter a title. I chose transportation and some lame clues. Don't pay attention to those. The thing you should do is that each line enter a word and then a space and then the clues. So you get it? For example, ride, you, space, you, a bike. This is my clue. So create my puzzle. Easy peasy. Of course, there are ready-to-use principles, but this was exciting, and you could have students make puzzles, each session one student, and also try time to time, try some riddles or lateral thinking puzzles and brain teasers and stuff like that. So keep teaching interesting, and thank you for watching.
Oh my god, I didn't record.
No, don't do this to me.
話せないがしょげるって。What the hell should I do now?